Amy Slayton Halterman lied about serious drug and child endangerment charges, the truth behind the claims and what it means for her family and fans. Amy Slayton Halterman, widely recognized for her candid appearances on the TLC reality series, 1000 Pound Sisters, has recently found herself at the heart of a major controversy that threatens to unravel her public image and raise serious questions about her integrity. Known for her openness about her struggles with obesity, health, and family life, Amy shocked many when she made repeated public claims suggesting she faced serious legal issues involving drug charges and child endangerment. These statements, which initially prompted concern and sympathy, have now been thoroughly investigated and debunked, revealing that the claims were fabricated. This revelation has sent shockwaves through her fan base, the media, and experts on legal and child welfare matters, igniting a broader conversation about truth, accountability, and the role of reality television in shaping narratives. The rise of Amy Slayton Halterman from reality TV to public figure. Amy Slayton Halterman first rose to prominence through 1000 Pound Sisters, a show chronicling the lives of Amy and her sister Tammy Slayton as they grappled with severe obesity and its profound effects on their health and relationships. The show's unfiltered approach resonated deeply with viewers, many of whom found inspiration in Amy's determination to improve her health, undergo bariatric surgery, and build a life as a mother and wife. Amy's journey was portrayed with emotional honesty, covering not just the physical transformations but the psychological and social challenges accompanying her weight loss efforts. Her fanbase grew over the years, with many admiring her for her relatability and resilience. She shared intimate moments from her personal life on social media, further strengthening the connection with followers. However, this close engagement with fans also meant that her public persona was subject to intense scrutiny and speculation. The emergence of alarming claims. The controversy began when Amy started posting cryptic and distressing messages on her social media platforms and during interviews that implied she was embroiled in serious legal troubles. She spoke vaguely but insistently about drug allegations and child endangerment charges that purportedly threatened her freedom and the custody of her children. These posts created a wave of concern among her followers, many of whom expressed shock and sympathy. Some fans reached out with offers of support, while others worried about the safety and welfare of Amy's family. As these claims gained traction, media outlets began to cover the story, reporting on the disturbing possibility that a beloved reality TV star was facing such serious accusations. The narrative took a grim turn as the public grappled with the idea that Amy's life, once marked by hope and progress, was now overshadowed by legal jeopardy, the investigation and the unraveling of the truth. In response to these alarming reports, investigative journalists and legal experts initiated inquiries into the validity of Amy's statements. Public records requests were made, police departments were contacted, and legal databases were scoured for any indication of criminal charges or investigations matching Amy's claims. The results were stark. There was no evidence of any drug charges, child endangerment accusations, or related legal proceedings against Amy Slayton Halterman. Law enforcement officials confirmed that no investigations had ever been opened concerning Amy in connection with drug possession or child neglect. Court records were clean, and there was no indication of any filings or hearings that would corroborate the allegations Amy had made publicly. This glaring absence of evidence directly contradicted the narrative Amy had shared with her audience. Experts weighed in on the potential reasons for such fabrications. Some suggested that the pressures of maintaining a compelling public narrative in reality TV could drive individuals to exaggerate or invent dramatic stories to keep the audience engaged. Others pointed to the possibility of underlying mental health struggles, stress, or emotional turmoil that might lead to such behavior. The fallout and impact on Amy's reputation. The revelation that Amy had lied about facing serious criminal charges has had a profound impact on her public image. Fans who once viewed her as an honest and relatable figure expressed feelings of betrayal and disappointment. Online communities that had rallied around her turned critical, questioning her motives and sincerity. The situation has also drawn criticism from child welfare advocates, who stressed that false claims involving child endangerment are not just harmful to an individual's reputation but can also undermine efforts to protect children who are truly at risk. The misuse of such serious allegations wastes vital resources and can distract from genuine cases needing attention. Amy's response, or lack thereof, has only intensified the controversy. She has largely remained silent or vague regarding the scandal, avoiding direct comments or clarifications. Her social media activity has diminished, and when she does post, her messages tend to focus on general positivity or health updates rather than addressing the issue head-on. Legal and ethical implications. Beyond reputational damage, experts note that publicly making false claims about criminal charges may have legal repercussions. Depending on jurisdiction, fabricating such stories could be seen as obstruction of justice or misuse of public resources, especially if it triggers investigations or public alarm. Ethically, the case highlights the delicate balance reality TV personalities must navigate between sharing personal struggles and maintaining truthful representation. While vulnerability is a key ingredient of reality TV's appeal, crossing into deception threatens not only the individual's credibility but also the integrity of the genre as a whole, public reaction and broader cultural reflections. The public's response has been mixed but intense. Some remain supportive of Amy, urging understanding and forgiveness, recognizing that everyone faces challenges and makes mistakes. Others are unforgiving, emphasizing accountability and the damage caused by spreading false information. The controversy has sparked wider discussions about the nature of reality television, where the lines between authentic experience and entertainment often blur. Viewers are reminded to approach reality TV narratives critically, understanding that editing, scripting, and personal agendas can influence the stories presented. Moving forward, what's next for Amy Slayton Halterman? Amy faces a challenging path ahead. Rebuilding trust will require transparency and likely an honest public explanation for her false claims. Healing within her family and among her fans will depend on her willingness to confront the situation openly and take responsibility. For reality TV producers and networks, this case may prompt reflection on the pressures placed on participants and the ethical considerations in promoting authentic street storytelling without encouraging harmful fabrications. Conclusion: Amy Slayton Halterman's story is a cautionary tale about the complex interplay of personal struggles, public persona, and the demands of reality television. Her false claims about drug charges and child endangerment have not only jeopardized her reputation but have also highlighted the importance of truthfulness and accountability in the public eye. As the situation continues to develop, the hope remains that all involved can find a path toward healing and understanding, emphasizing the real-life consequences behind the headlines. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.